Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? The answer is Abhinav Bindra. Which Mughal emperor built the Buland Darwaza? The answer is Akbar. The river Brahmaputra originates from which country? The answer is China. The President of India is elected for a term of how many years? The answer is 5 years. Which gas is known as laughing gas? The answer is nitrous oxide. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Which Indian state has the highest number of Lok Sabha seats? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. In which year was the Battle of Plassey fought? The answer is 1757. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? The answer is vitamin K. The headquarters of UNESCO is located in? The answer is Paris. Which Indian state has Sanskrit as one of its official languages? The answer is Uttarakhand. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? The answer is Mars. What is the capital of Bhutan? The answer is Thimphu. The Chipko movement was primarily concerned with? The answer is forest conservation. What does GDP stand for? The answer is gross domestic product. Which is the largest gland in the human body? The answer is liver. Where is the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, headquartered? The answer is Bengaluru. Which Indian state is the largest producer of tea? The answer is Assam. Who founded the Arya Samaj? The answer is Dayananda Saraswati. Who is the author of Discovery of India? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the longest river in India? The answer is Ganga. What is the currency of Sri Lanka? The answer is rupee. Who was the first female Prime Minister of India? The answer is Indira Gandhi. Which city is known as the Pink City? The answer is Jaipur. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? The answer is France. What is the SI unit of force? The answer is Newton. Which acid is found in lemon? The answer is citric acid. Who discovered the sea route to India? The answer is Vasco da Gama. Who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India? The answer is Rajiv Kumar. The headquarters of World Health Organization is in? The answer is Geneva. Which of the following is not a union territory of India? The answer is Sikkim. The Dandi March was related to which movement? The answer is Civil Disobedience Movement. One people, one nation, one leader was the slogan of? The answer is Hitler. Where is India's first nuclear reactor, Apsara, located? The answer is Trombay. What does the 74th Amendment Act of Indian Constitution deal with? The answer is municipalities. Which sport is associated with the Davis Cup? The answer is tennis. Who was the last Governor General of independent India? The answer is Rajagopalakari. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? The answer is mercury. In which year was the Indian National Congress founded? The answer is 1885. Which city is called the Silicon Valley of India? The answer is Bengaluru. Who wrote the book, India Wins Freedom? The answer is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Which is the largest island in the world? The answer is Greenland. The speed of light is approximately. The answer is 3 lakh km per second. What is the capital of Mizoram? The answer is Aizawl. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? The answer is Sarojini Naidu. In which direction does the Earth rotate? The answer is west to east. The Ajanta Caves are located in which state? The answer is Maharashtra. Which country is not a member of SSC? The answer is Myanmar. The term bull and bear is associated with. The answer is stock market. Which of the following instruments is used to measure humidity? The answer is hygrometer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.